Hi, I'm Todd Allen, the Zoneline trainer for GE Appliances. This video demonstrates the installation of the GE 26-inch AJ series built-in air conditioner into an existing 27-inch WSE wall sleeve using the RAK27 trim kit. This includes a color-matched trim ring, 5 foam filler strips, 6 screws, and 2 panel edge nuts. Start by removing the existing foam from both sides and the back of your GE air conditioner from these highlighted areas. Take note of these holes on each side of the air conditioner. They will be used to secure the trim ring. Take the trim ring and slide it into place just behind the front cover. Secure the trim ring to the air conditioner using 2 of the 4 small screws from the installation package. Adhere one of the short pieces of foam to the side in the highlighted area, starting flush to the top of the unit and working your way down. Secure the trim ring to the opposite side of the unit using the 2 remaining short screws from the kit. Adhere another short piece of foam to the highlighted area, starting flush to the top and working your way down. Install the long piece of foam to the top, overlapping the side foam pieces on both sides. Install the remaining 2 pieces of foam to the outdoor coil in these highlighted areas. Take care to install the foam on the coil end brackets and avoid covering any of the coil itself. Doing so could negatively impact performance. Install the edge panel nuts over the holes in the wall sleeve as shown. These will be used to secure the air conditioner to the wall sleeve. Using 2 people or an assist device, carefully slide your air conditioner into the wall sleeve until the center holes of the trim kit align with the panel edge nuts, ensuring the foam strips aren't damaged. Use the 2 remaining screws to secure the air conditioner to the wall sleeve on both sides. Plug the unit in and tuck any extra cord length into the bottom of the front grille. Now you are ready to enjoy the comfort and conveniences of your GE AJ series air conditioner.
We're here to support you. For information on this or any other GE Zoneline products, visit us at zoneline.com.